In this video I am gonna tell you how to see a YouTube channel oldest video first. So please watch the full video and also give a like. So let's get started. First of all, open YouTube application. Now search for the channel. I'm searching my own channel. Now open the channel, tap on the first link above. Now tap on videos option. Now tap on sort by option, and here tap on that added oldest option in the middle. You can see my first video on my channel. This is my oldest and first video of my channel. You can search for any channel first video on YouTube. So I hope you will like this video, so please give a like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks, goodbye.